Today I'm going to be talking to you about the importance of going to the dentist. A lot of people may not think that going to the dentist is as important as, let's say, going to the doctor, but it actually is one of the most healthy things that you can do for yourself and for your family and for your body. I do work at a dental office, so I have picked up a lot of really helpful tips and a lot of knowledge throughout my time working there, and a lot of understanding of why it is so important to go to the dentist as much as we should. The biggest question I get is, what age should we start taking our children to the dentist? In my office, we say 1 to 2. The minute they start having teeth, they should be going to the dentist. Now, a lot of people might think that's crazy because what are you going to do with a toddler sitting there? They're not going to let you take x-rays. They're not going to barely let you in your mouth, things like that. And we understand that. It's actually more for them to get used to going to the dentist office. It's so much easier when they go every 6 months and they know exactly what's going to happen. They know who their dentist is. They know who their assistant's going to be. And God forbid, hopefully not, but maybe down the line if they needed dental work, they would be more comfortable getting it done because they're used to the people going to be working on their mouths. So it won't be as scary as experience. The other thing is it's really educational for parents because I don't think a lot of parents know how to properly take care of their toddler's mouth as they would their own. The second thing would be, how often do you take your, do you go to the dentist? Every 6 months. If a doctor tells you otherwise, like every 3, maybe you have a special case, or, you're fine and you're a really young kid, you come back next year, that's fine. But 9 times out of 10, it's going to be every 6 months. They will always say, okay, see you in 6 months for your cleaning and checkup. A lot of people will say that is inconvenient for their schedule. They don't have to go every 6 months. They take care of their teeth every night, so they don't need a cleaning and exam. First of all, our dentists have a lot more equipment and things like that than just using a regular toothbrush. So they're definitely going to be able to give you more of a cleaning and a better cleaning with what they're going to use. They're going to be able to get off, calcium buildup, plaque, things like that, that you're not going to be able to get off with a regular Colgate Oral-B toothbrush at home. The second thing is, it's not just about cleaning your teeth. It's actually for prevention. We take x-rays there, and so if we see, oh, you've got a start of a cavity, let's take care of that. It'll just be a small filling because we caught it early, because you went to your 6-month checkup. That's a lot better than, oh, you haven't been to the dentist in 5 years, and you now need a root canal and a crown, and it's going to be $2,000, and that's with insurance. It is so helpful to not only your health, your mouth, but also your wallet, because dental is one of the most expensive medical things that you can actually do. I understand that. I know. I do the billing for my office. I get how expensive it is. So prevention actually helps your bank account. It's one of the great things to do. Continually go to a 6-month checkup. Tooth problems, piggybacking onto that, can actually be a very serious and very dangerous thing. Let's say you have an infection in your tooth. Now, just like any other infection anywhere else on your body, it leaks. Stuff comes out of it. If it's in your mouth, you're swallowing that. You can make yourself incredibly ill by having an infection in your mouth. And people go to the emergency room constantly thinking that they've got the flu or food poisoning or something is going on with them. And in actuality, they have an infection of their tooth because they weren't taking care of them. Fortunately, you can get a simple antibiotic and the infection will go away. But that doesn't take care of the problem. It takes care of the infection. So you still do have to go back and get your work done. And a lot of people don't think that that's the case, and it is. Parents are my biggest issue as patients because they feel that their kids should be more high priority than they are, and they shouldn't have to go to the dentist. I have parents that haven't been to the dentist in 20 years. Unfortunately, because it is such a health issue and can cause problems, in order for you to be a good parent, you need to be there. And in order for you to be there as a parent, you have to take care of yourself. And one of the things to do that is going to the dentist and making sure that you have a healthy mouth and you don't have infection or decay or anything else like that. It's also setting an example for your children. So parents, don't let that be an excuse anymore. Go to the dentist. My last point would be, dental is expensive. I know it's expensive. I'm a single mom on a fixed income, and I work in a dental office. it is ridiculous how crazy it is, even with insurance sometimes. My biggest thing for that would be, first of all, find a dental insurance that works for you. You know, one that you can afford the payment every month, but also that's going to give you the most coverage that you can have in case something does come up. Second thing would be, before you pick a dentist, don't just pick it willy-nilly because your friend said they were good. Pick one that is in network with your insurance. You know, you can even ask them who's one that would be good for you. The second would be, if you're on a low income fixed income, you can ask them, do you do a sliding scale fee for lower income families? Do you do payment plans so that maybe if you have a big procedure, you can pay for it over the course of a couple months, not a couple grand right up front that no one has laying around. Everybody needs to go to the dentist. Everybody should go to the dentist. And nothing is better than a healthy mouth and a great smile, because no one likes it more than when you look at yourself in a picture and go, oh my gosh, my smile looks fabulous. I've never seen my teeth look better. It helps you in interviews. It helps you in relationships with people. It helps you in every aspect of your life. So hopefully the knowledge and the information that I have given you guys today will help you better understand why you should go to the dentist, and maybe people who are too scared or haven't made one will make an appointment tomorrow. And who knows, maybe I'll see you in my dental office. So thank you for listening.